Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa lahat, sa mga kaamigo, kamiga, sa lahat ng followers ko po. Thank you at mag-ingat palagi. Take care everyone. So, meron tayong balita regarding po sa what we call breaking balita Philippines about sa what we call the 30th case on September School pre-trial po sa kasong drug war. So, pakinggan po natin ang balita na ito dahil ito ay bago nito. So, regarding ito, mag-comment kayo, don't forget to what you call to like, to share, or to subscribe so that yung hindi pa nakarinig o makano sa YouTube ko ay makukuha kayo ng balita o mabigyan kayo ng notification when it comes meron akong bagong balita. Pakinggan natin ang balita galing mo sa IC po.
Hearing as fitness to stand trial. Question. The International Criminal Court has decided to postpone the September 23rd confirmation hearing of charges against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, following a request from his legal team. Duterte's camp argued that the former leader is not fit to stand trial and sought an indefinite suspension of proceedings. In a statement released Monday, the ICC pre-trial chamber confirmed that a majority of judges granted a limited postponement. The court explained that more time is needed to properly assess Duterte's request and other related matters. However, not all members agreed. Judge Maria del Socorro Flores Liera dissented, signaling differing views within the chamber on how to proceed. The development marks another twist in the long-running case tied to Duterte's controversial war on drugs, which has drawn global scrutiny. Observers note that this delay could have significant implications for accountability efforts, particularly on the question of whether health or fitness claims might slow the judicial process. As the ICC weighs Duterte's future in court, the world watches closely. Will the proceedings move forward, or could this open the door to further delays? Subscribe now for timely updates on this high-stake.
Yan po ang balita natin sa Breaking Balita Pilipinas po. Thank you sa inyo lahat at mag-ingat. God bless everyone po. Bye-bye po.